students. Today we are going to continue our lesson that pillars of democracy, the last part of this lesson. And writer of this lesson is Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and you know that very well that Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar has laid emphasis on the values of liberty and equality and fraternity. But if there is no fraternity, then liberty and equality is on only paper, that become only coat of pets. Okay, and for that he tell the story in the words of Bryce himself, and he also give instruction us, he also suggest us it is very important to be a nation, to think that we are a nation. Okay, now we are going to continue another passage, last passage of this lesson, which is given on a 38, page number 38. Okay, how can people divided into several thousands of caste be a nation? In United States, there are no caste, and it is not happen in India. That's why it is very difficult to be a nation in several thousands of caste. Okay, in India the peoples are divided into different type of caste, and it is that's why it is very difficult to be a nation if there is a several thousand of caste. The sooner we realize that we are not as yet a nation in social psychological sense of the word, it is very important to understand, to realize that we are not yet a nation in social and psychological sense of word. The better for us, it is good for us to realize the truth that we are not as a eight nation in a social and psychological sense of words. In social and psychological sense of words, we are not nation. It is very important to accept this fact as early as possible, and that is good for us, that is better for us. For then only we realize the necessity of becoming a nation and seriously think of ways and means of realizing the goals. If we understand this fact, if we realize this fact as early as possible, then we shall realize the necessity of becoming a nation. And if we understand the necessity of becoming a nation, then we seriously think of the ways and means of realizing the goals. The realizations of this goal is going to be very difficult, far more difficult than it has been in United States. In India it is very difficult, it is very difficult, the realization of goal, because than United States. Okay, sorry, एक minute. Huh? The realization of the goal is going to be very difficult, far more difficult than it has been in the United States. Okay, in United States there are the United States has no caste problem. Why it is not difficult in State? Because in United States there is no problem of caste. But in India, the thousand peoples are divided into different type of caste, and that's why the realization of this goal to be a nation is going to very difficult than United States. Okay, in the in in India there are caste. Okay, the caste are anti-national. In India there are different type of caste, and these caste are anti-national. We are it is difficult to think that we are nation when there are different type of caste. In the first place, because they bring about separation in social life. Why it is difficult? Because thought of caste brings a separation in our social life. They are anti-national also because they generate jealousy and antipathy, that is deep-seated feelings of dislike, that is opposite to sympathy. That's why that's why Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar said us that they are anti-national, caste are anti-national, and also because they generate jealousy and antipathy between the caste and creed. Okay, caste and creed are caste and creed are created and sorry, एक second, they are anti-national. What are anti-national? Caste are anti-national. Why? Because they generate jealousy and antipathy between caste and creed. ओके, कास्ट को एंटी नेशनल कहा क्योंकि कास्ट और क्रीड के द्वारा समाज में एक जेलसी क्रिएट होती है, द्वेष क्रिएट होता है. So, but we must overcome all these difficulties if we wish to become a nation in reality. But though it is difficult, it is not impossible. If we wish to be a nation in reality, then we must overcome all these difficulties, and it is possible if we think we should be a nation to hold our democracy. For fraternity can be a fact, for fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. For fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. Okay, if we think that we are nation, then fraternity is possible in our country. And without fraternity, equality and liberty will be no deeper than coat of paint. And without fraternity, equality and liberty is only a coat of paint. There is no importance for equality and liberty if there is not fraternity. And fraternity happened in India when we think that we are a nation, and when we think that we are a nation when we overcome all the difficulties of our caste problems. These are the opinion of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and its reality that we must overcome all these difficulties. We must follow the principle that is fraternity, because liberty and equality are totally depend upon fraternity. Okay, now our lesson is ended on this point. I will send you assignment on the grammar of this lesson in next period.